Today on William's Adventures, I'm going to take in, show you what I've been working on this morning. Because I've been working on the backpack, or jetpack, and the chest armor, and I've painted the shin guards. So, let me take and flip the camera around and show you what I got going on. Alright, so, if you'll notice here, here's a chest piece. It's already pre-cut out. It was already glued together with this purple plumbing primer and stuff. It didn't work. It literally split apart. Well, this is what my armor is layers of sheet plastic. And here's the chest piece, already with the rivet holes cut out and everything like that. But here's the main part of my backpack, or jetpack. And what this is going to be are sensors here, there, and here, and here. This is an air intake with a really fine metal mesh on it. This is actual metal. And then here is the rocket and rocket launching tube. And this is meant to pierce glass and heavy duty things like through walls and armor sheets of armor and stuff like that. Alright, so what I did was I sanded it all down, got it all nice and smooth, and then I started building the tanks for the actual rocket parts. Shit, it isn't quite dry. And what I did was I got some 2-inch PVC pipe, put a coupler, a cap, sank that down in there, and then I have a water bottle top, and then another top to, I can't remember what it goes to, glued on there. And then once they're all dried, I'm going to actually glue these to the side. And then of course I'm going to take and put like a wrap over it and glue it to here, so there isn't that seam in there. Don't have this all like a nice smoothish transition. And I'm going to leave this hollow. This way I'm going to put like my wallet and keys and water bottles and snacks and stuff in there. And it'll have like a door that that's going to be magnetic on here that you can just pop out. But that's what that is. And so, getting back to the chest armor, here's the final outside piece. Nice and smooth and finished. And then I glue this on, and then glue this outer layer on to actually give you the nice finish. But what I started with is the chest diamond. As you can see right there with my big 3-foot I just forgot the name of it. Crescent wrench that I had sitting in here. This way it'll put pressure on it and keep it down. And like this clamp here, the layer is separated right there, so I glued those together. Alright, moving outside. I literally just got through mowing my yard, so I had previously painted the underside of these, and now I just painted the base coat metal on there. Sorry about that. And you can actually see the glare. Well, you guys can't see it, but I can. It's like very blinding. The inside, as you can see there, is already painted. And this way I can take and paint the big panels nice and blue. And yes, that's the left and that one's the right. But doesn't matter, I'm painting them. Alright, back inside the shop. If you follow my D&D game, you'll recognize that, and that is a hint as what's coming up. Alright, well, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures, and let's go on an adventure and create something new.